The St. Louis blizzard of 1982 remains one of the most significant winter storms in the region's history. Between January 30th and 31st, 1982, Lambert International Airport officially recorded 13.9 inches of snow, while many surrounding communities received 20 to 24 inches. Forecasters had predicted only 2 to 4 inches, but a powerful storm developed as bitter Arctic air collided with warm, moisture-rich air from the Gulf of Mexico. Snow fell at rates of 2 to 3 inches per hour, and the storm even produced rare thundersnow, with thunder and lightning occurring during the intense snowfall. The storm brought the St. Louis metropolitan area to a standstill. More than 4,000 motorists became stranded on area highways, Lambert International Airport shut down, Amtrak suspended service, and metro bus routes stopped operating. Schools, government offices, and many businesses remained closed for several days as snowdrifts reached up to 6 feet in some areas.